Hi there, this is Wilbert R. Mutoko, the financial doctor. I'm the best-selling author of the book 15 Secrets for Personal Financial Success. And I've also authored What You Have Is Enough, 16 Mistakes Singles Make Volume 1, and Success in Marriage. Today, I would like to talk on a topic that I've titled, Your Homework Today. There's something I've noticed in this life, that many people have learned how to work with their boss in the workplace. They have learned how to tolerate and care and support and understand and forgive everybody else out there. But when it comes to their family members, it's not easy. What shall it profit you for you to be good to everybody out there? You are in class with some people, your classmates, your workmates, your churchmates, your clubmates, your everything mates. You try and tolerate them. You try and forgive them. You try and understand them. You know their weaknesses and you accept that there is nobody who is perfect. But why is it that you cannot forgive yourself? Why is it that you cannot care for yourself? Why is it that you cannot tolerate you? Furthermore, why is it that you are nice to everybody out there, but you are not as nice to your family members? They say charity begins at home. And I'm just encouraging us right now that it's a good thing for you to care about everybody, to tolerate everybody, to forgive everybody, including yourself, and not just your mates out there, but also including your wife, your husband, your children, and your extended family. You find some people, they find it very easy to share a drink, to share a cigarette, to share stories with people out there. But when it comes to their own family members, their own blood, the people who will stand with them when things go wrong, they don't support them. They don't forgive them. They don't cater for them. They don't care for them. You find some people when they are talking on the phone, you hear them saying, hello, thanks for calling, good day. But when their spouse calls, they say, hey, what is it again? When their child calls, they say, who is it? Who is it again? Come on, guys, let's improve on ourselves. And this is the homework that I'm going to give you. Number one, show more tolerance for yourself. Understand you. Care about you. So that in turn, you will be able to care for the people around you. Number two, forgive yourself, so that you will be able to forgive others. Number three, today when you get home, show more tolerance, more understanding, more care, more love, more kindness, and support for your loved ones. By the way, if you are to fall sick, God forbid, who is going to take care of you? Is it your boss? Is it your employees? Is it your church mates? Is it your club mates? Is it your classmates? The people that will support you most are your family members. And those are the very people you are deserting right now. And I want to encourage you, let charity begin at home. Let love begin at home. Let care begin at home. Number four, the same good and sweet way you speak on the phone to clients, I want you to do it to your family members. Even do it better. Number five, forgive your loved ones. So this is the homework I'm giving you. I said, number one, show more tolerance for yourself and understand you, care about you, so that you will be able to do the same for your family members. Number two, forgive yourself. Number three, today when you get home, show more tolerance, more understanding, more forgiveness, more comprehension of your people. And of course, number four, we said the same good, sweet way you talk, whether on the phone or when you talk one-on-one, do the same with your wife, do the same with your husband, do the same with your parents, do the same with your children. And finally, forgive your loved ones. The same way you've been tolerating everybody else, why don't you tolerate your loved ones? I hope you will do that. Because otherwise, if you don't do this homework, you will live a miserable life. I don't want you to have a miserable life. This is your homework. Let's hope you will do it. Don't be known out there as a nice guy. Don't be known out there as a very good guy. Don't be known out there as a very kind person. You are helping everybody except your family. This is not good. We need to start to build happy families, to build families that are responsible. Our children are copying us. What are your children copying from you? At work, you are known as a good person. At school, you are known as a good person. But at home, can they give the same testimony? Thank you for listening, and I hope you will do your homework. Thank you. As always, bye for now. Financial Doctor Wilbert Aramutoko is my name. Thank you. Love you. Bye.